And moving on to Crime Beat now, we have new details on the trial for the man accused of killing 4 people in northern Nevada earlier this year. For now, the trial is scheduled for April.
Wilbur Ernesto Martinez Guzman is charged with killing 2 women in Gardnerville and then a married couple in South Reno. Of course, this all happened back in January. Paul Nelson was at this hearing this morning. And Paul, why is his attorney asking to delay the trial?
Well, it all comes down to whether or not Wilbur Martinez Guzman has an intellectual disability, Kristen. If he does, the state will not be able to pursue the death penalty. His attorney says an April trial won't give him enough time to find that out.
We will file a motion.
The attorney for Wilbur Martinez Guzman is asking to delay his trial to late next year or possibly mid-2021. He says more time is needed to determine whether his client has an intellectual disability.
Roughly at the earliest onset, you're looking at 11 months to have a complete, full, and accurate intellectual disability investigation completed.
Martinez Guzman is accused of killing 4 people in January. Investigators say he shot Connie Kuntz to death in her Gardnerville home and Sophia Rankin a few days later. They also say he shot and killed Jerry and Sherry David in their South Reno home.
The wounds are very fresh. It's not getting easier. It's actually sinking in that they're really gone forever.
The Davids' niece says their family wants the state to pursue the death penalty and that delaying the trial is an injustice to the victims' families.
It's horrible for the family. We need closure. We need to move forward with this trial.
Arascata says his choice to handle the investigation is, quote, the expert of experts in this field. But prosecutors say there are other experts that are available sooner.
They're not entitled to the expert of their choice. They have an expert that is available.
Arascata spent 5 days in Martinez Guzman's home country of El Salvador to learn more about his intelligence. He says he interviewed 10 members of the defendant's family and staff from his school, and he visited 3 hospitals where records exist. He's also looking into pesticides and fertilizers that his client may have been exposed to while working in the fields.
We made a good faith determination to continue forward with the intellectual disability investigation.
Arascata says the investigation includes IQ tests, age, and functional capacity. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court of Nevada still has to determine if all 4 murder charges can happen in Washoe County, since 2 of them happened in Douglas County. Covering Crime Beat live in the newsroom, Paul Nelson, 2 News.